Hello dear student, today start from your topic name is example is based on the fraction. Okay, now see in the last of this video I already discussed types of fraction. First of all, the types of a fraction, we have defined a proper fraction and an improper fraction. Here we have defined a proper fraction means what? A fraction in which your numerator is less than denominator is called as a proper fraction. Similarly, we have to define the improper fraction. Your numerator is greater than the denominator. This type of fraction is called as the improper fraction. And the next one thing is what? Mixed fraction is a combination of what? Whole number and this proper fraction. This is all our types of the fraction. This is a proper fraction, improper fraction and a mixed fraction. Now first of all, today topic name is example is based on the fraction. Question number 1. Convert each of the following into an improper fraction. The question is what? Convert each of the following into an improper fraction. First of all, see the definition of an improper fraction. Fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. This type of fraction is called as an improper fraction. Now see, you have to convert it into improper fraction. It means what? Your given example is a mixed fraction. Why mixed fraction? Because the definition of a mixed fraction is what? A combination of what? Whole number and the proper fraction. A combination of what? Whole number and the proper fraction. 4 upon 7 is a proper fraction. Why proper fraction? Because the numerator is less than denominator. It means here will be numerator is 4 and the denominator is 7. Here will be numerator is less than denominator. This type of fraction is called as a proper fraction. Now see, this is an example is given to you. Example number 1, 2, 3 and 4 is given to you. Using this example, you have to convert it into improper fraction. Now you have to solve the one by one example. Now see how to convert it into 5 into 4 upon 7 is converted into an improper fraction. Now first of all see, here will be 7 5 35, 35 plus 4 39, 39 divided by 7. Your answer is what? 39 divided by 7. This is 39 divided by 7 is an improper fraction. Definitely improper fraction. Why improper fraction? Because the numerator is 39. This is our numerator is 39 and the denominator is 7. Here will be numerator is greater than denominator. This type of fraction is called as improper fraction. That is your first one example. You have to convert it into mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Next, 3 into 1 upon 2. Now see, this is our 3 into 1 upon 2. Here will be, now you have to solve it. 2 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. You have to write down the 7 upon 2. Now the 7 upon 2 is numerator is 7 and the denominator is 2. This is the numerator is greater than denominator because the 7 is always greater than the 2. That is why this is our 7 upon 2 is also a improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. This type of fraction is called as improper fraction. Next one example is 7 into 2 upon 3. Now see, first of all 3 7 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 divided by 3. This one numerator is 23. Denominator is 3. Here will be numerator is always greater than the denominator. This is 23 is always greater than the 3. This is our improper fraction. It means that we have to convert it into a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Next one example is 9 into 4 upon 5. Okay, it will be 5 9 ja 45. It will be 45 plus 4. This is our 49. 49 divided by 5. This is the numerator is our 49 and the denominator is our 5. That is why your numerator is greater than the denominator. This type of definition is called as the improper fraction, and that is why you have to convert it into a mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Okay, this is the question number 1. It is based on you have to convert it into a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction is given to you. We have to convert it into an improper fraction. Next one example is question number 2. Find the value of 1 upon 6 of 90 candles. 1 upon 6 of 90 candle, it means we have to use the division. By using the division, we have to solve it. This is our so simple actual division. This is our 90 divided by 6. Here will be 6 1 ja 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. This is our 0. 6 5 ja 30. This is our 30. Your answer is what? This is our 0 0. Remainder is 0 0. It means that your correct answer is what? Here will be 15 is the correct answer. Okay. We have to find out the value of what? 1 upon 6 of 90 candle. You get the correct answer is what? 15. Okay. Now start from the second one example. 3 upon 2 of 36 newspaper. We have to find out the 3 upon 2 parts of 36 of newspaper. Now see. First of all, we have to solve it. 33 upon 2. First of all, we have to divide it by 36 divided by 2. This is our 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 2 is our 1. And the 6 is also coming here. 2 8 ja 16. This is our 16. Remainder is our 0. And the 18 is what? Is your correct answer. But we have to find out the 3 upon 2 parts. Okay. This is our 18 multiplied by 3. Multiply by 18 multiplied by 3. This is our 4. This is our 5. 54. This is our 54 is the correct answer. Okay, it means that you have to find out the 3 upon 2 of 36 newspaper. You get the correct answer is what? 54. Okay, now the next you have to start from the question number 3. Reduce the following to is the lowest term. It means that you have to first one example 36 upon 60. Reduce the following into a lowest term. Okay, it means by using the commonly division. Okay, this is our 36 upon 60. Now see 36 upon 60 is definitely divided by 2 because 36 and 6 is our even number is divisible by 2. Okay, this is our 60 is also divisible by 2. Next one 3 is also divisible by 2 by using the lowest term, and definitely 12 is one of the number is directly divisible by, because 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36. Okay, 12 4 ja 58 and 12 5 ja 60. This is our 3 upon 5 is the lowest term. Reduce the following to its lowest term. You have to find it. This is our 36 upon 60. Your correct answer is what? 3 upon 5 is the correct answer. This is our, we have to find the reduce the following to its lowest term. This is our 36 upon 60. You get the correct answer is what? 3 upon 5. Because 36 upon 60 is directly divided by 12. Okay. Now the second one example. 15 upon 90. Same we have to solve this example. This is 15 upon 90. 15 upon 90 is directly divided by 3 because 3 5 ja 15 and 3 is also divided. 5 is also divided. Otherwise, the directly we have to divide it by the 15 table because 15 1 ja 15. We have to 15 1 ja 15 and the 15 6 ja definitely 90. Okay, it means that your correct answer is what? 1 upon 6. Otherwise, you can also divide it by directly 3 and 5 also. Okay, this is your also lowest term. Same you have to answer, you have to find it. You have to find out the answer is the same. Okay, both the example. It means that he will be reduce the following to its lowest term is 36 upon 60 is equals to 3 upon 5, and the next one is what 15 upon 90 is equals to 1 upon 6. This is all our question number 1, 2 and 3 is are based on, here will be example is are based on the fraction. Okay, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Hope so everyone student understood the fraction concept. These are types of fraction. Okay, and next topic will start from the next of this video, and have a nice day.